What if Samsung's most underrated phone of the year isn't a flagship? Because right now, before any official announcement, the Galaxy A57 5G has leaked, and what's inside it has the entire tech world doing a double take. Welcome back. Today, we're breaking down one of the most significant mid-range leaks of 2025. Unboxing footage, internal specs, confirmed hardware, it's all out there. And if these details hold up, Samsung may have quietly built something that punches well above its price tag. Let's get into it. Start with the screen. We're looking at a 6.7-inch AMOLED panel with a 120 Hz refresh rate and an 88.9% screen-to-body ratio. Thinner bezels, deeper blacks, silky smooth scrolling. This isn't mid-range behavior. This is flagship DNA trickling down to a price most people can actually afford. Under the hood, Samsung's new Exynos 1680, built for efficiency without sacrificing raw speed. Paired with up to 12 GB of RAM and 256 GB of storage, this phone is designed to stay fast for years. Demanding games, heavy multitasking, future software updates, it should handle all of it without breaking a sweat. The camera system is a triple setup: 50-megapixel main, 12-megapixel ultra-wide, and a 5-megapixel macro lens. On paper, clean and practical. But the real story is Samsung's image processing, which has improved dramatically over recent generations. Expect sharper detail, better low-light performance, and results that will surprise you for the price. Now, here's the upgrade that almost nobody saw coming: a 5,000 mAh battery with 45-watt fast charging. For years, Samsung's A series lagged behind competitors in charging speed. That changes here. A short charge gives you hours back. A full charge gets you through the entire day easily. That's not just an upgrade. That's Samsung finally listening. Here's the bigger picture. The A series is Samsung's best-selling lineup globally. Millions of people depend on these phones. So when Samsung raises the bar here, better display, faster processor, stronger battery, it doesn't just change one phone, it shifts what people expect from affordable smartphones entirely. Pricing is still unconfirmed, but with specs like these, the Galaxy A57 5G is shaping up to be the best value smartphone of the year if Samsung can deliver on the promise. So, let me ask you, does this change your mind about mid-range phones, or are you holding out for something else? Drop your take in the comments. I read every single one.